Two giants, one sky. One spins over royalty, the other over riches. One gave us skyline magic in 2000, the other shattered records in 2021. It's a wheel versus wheel showdown. And we've got 10 crazy differences between the London Eye and Ain Dubai you need to know. These two giants of the sky may look similar, but the differences between them are absolutely insane. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us bring you more amazing content like this. Ain Dubai is nearly twice the height of the London Eye. London Eye stands at 135 meters, while Ain Dubai reaches an astonishing 250 meters. That's taller than the Statue of Liberty stacked twice. London Eye holds around 800 people at full capacity, but Ain Dubai can carry up to 1,750 passengers. That's like boarding a mega cruise ship in the sky. Let's talk capsules. The London Eye has 32, each representing a London borough. Spacious, climate-controlled, and offering 360-degree views. But Ain Dubai? It boasts 48 high-tech, super-spacious cabins. That's 16 more than the London Eye, meaning more people and more epic views at once. So, how many people can ride at once? The London Eye fits about 800 people at a time. That's a small village floating above London. But Ain Dubai, each of its 48 cabins holds up to 40 people, totaling up to 1,900 at once. That's more than double the London Eye's capacity. Imagine nearly 2,000 people soaring above Dubai together. It's not just a wheel, it's a vertical city in the sky. How long do you get up there? The London Eye gives you a 30-minute ride. Plenty of time for photos and views. Ain Dubai? A full rotation lasts 38 to 40 minutes. That's almost 10 extra minutes to spot Dubai's landmarks and snap those epic selfies. More time, more memories. Ain Dubai gives you bonus minutes in the clouds. The London Eye sits on the Thames, offering classic views. Big Ben, Buckingham Palace, Tower Bridge. It's a history lesson in the sky, pure British charm. Ain Dubai, on Blue Waters Island, overlooks the futuristic Dubai Marina, Palm Jumeirah, and Burj Khalifa. It's a vision of tomorrow. Modern, bold, and luxurious. Which view wins for you? Oh, let's geek out on engineering. The London Eye was a marvel of its time, assembled over the Thames with a unique A-frame. It's a symbol of British innovation. Ain Dubai? It's an engineering monster, using over 11,000 tons of steel, with a central hub as heavy as 4 A380s. Built in Dubai's harsh climate, it pushed construction limits. At night, both wheels transform. The London Eye glows with colorful lights reflecting on the Thames, a romantic cityscape. Ain Dubai? It's a full-on LED spectacle with massive screens and light shows visible for miles. From the top, Dubai's skyline looks like a sci-fi movie. London is classic. Dubai is high-tech extravaganza. Two cities, two unforgettable night views. Which would you choose? Want a party in the sky? The London Eye offers private capsules for proposals or VIP celebrations. Ain Dubai takes it further. Private cabins with fine dining, bars, and event packages. Host a birthday, corporate event, or luxury party 250 meters up. It's not just a ride. It's a 5-star venue in the clouds. What's the cost? London Eye tickets run £30, £40 standard for a major attraction. Ain Dubai starts at about £28, £30, sometimes even cheaper for a longer, higher ride. VIP experiences cost more, but for a standard ticket, Dubai offers serious value. More height, more time, possibly less cash. The London Eye was built for the millennium, meant to be temporary, but became a permanent icon. Ain Dubai was designed from day one to be the world's biggest. A showpiece for Dubai's expo and tourism. Construction took over 8 years and used more steel than the Eiffel Tower. 2 wheels, 2 visions, one born from celebration, one from ambition, both changed their cities forever. There you have it. 10 wild differences between the London Eye and Ain Dubai. The London Eye is timeless, historic, and beloved. Ain Dubai is record-breaking, futuristic, and jaw-dropping. Classic charm or extreme wow factor, what's your pick? Let us know in the comments. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support truly gives us strength and motivates us to keep creating more exciting content. See you in the next video.